Here I have Carbon Aura, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset, and let me show you how to bypass and remove pattern, password or other screen lock method on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off, tap OK to confirm the operation. Let's wait until your device will be completely switched off, and then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys. Let me press them again, power key and volume down, keep holding both keys. And release them as soon as Carbon logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the following Android robot pops up, so now let's hold down power, and while holding power press volume up once, and this is Android System Recovery. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power key. Let's scroll down here to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset and press power key to confirm it. Then scroll down to choose yes and press power button to choose it. The device is sweeping data and formatting all personal stuff, so let's wait until the operation will be completed, and as soon as Android System Recovery pops up, let's press power key to reboot system now. The device is resetting and rebooting into a normal mode. Excellent, the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset is done. Now you may start simply activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.